Keep watching the video, guys, and I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super insane, and it actually works. So if you Today I'll show you to get rich in top 11. So as you can see, I have unlimited money, so I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. It's super crazy, guys, and it actually works. So if you like top 11, guys, keep watching, and I'm going to show you guys how to download this modded version, guys, which is super crazy, and it is so insane. So if you do not involve yourself with spending money on this game, keep watching, because I'm going to show you guys how to download this Netflix top 11 modded version. So let's go for the video tutorial. I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this onto your device, guys, because it actually works and it is super cool. So as you can see in top 11, I'm pretty rich, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So what you want to do, guys, is go over to this site. It's called Zoomods. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So I'm just going to go over to Google. And we're literally just going to go to the search bar and just type in Zoomods. So once it comes up, guys, all you got to do is just go to the search bar, and we're literally just going to go ahead and type in top 11. So let me just do that right here, and as you can see, it comes up. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself. It actually works. And if we go to the App Store, you guys can see that this game is not cheap at all, guys. So as you can see, guys, when we type in top 11, you can see that it is super expensive, bro. So I don't want you to get involved in this method if you are broke. And that's why I'm presenting a mod. So as you can see, they're charging $19. It's super gay, bro. So all you gotta do, guys, is go to Zoomods. It's so easy. So just come to the search bar and just type in Zoomods. And then once you get onto the site, guys, just go to the search bar and just type in top 11. So if you enjoyed the video, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's updated. It's super cool. And it works right now. So as you can see, I'm super rich, guys, so it's super insane. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. It's updated. I want you guys to make tons of updates about this because it is working right now and it's super insane. So if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in a future video, but this is super cool. So I hope you guys like the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out. It doesn't even require anything gay like jailbreaking. So if you don't like that stuff, I'm with you on that. It's super insane, though. So yeah, if you like the video, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. Get the word out. It's super insane, guys. So if you like the video, be sure to try this right now. I'm going to see you guys in the video. This is super cool, guys. If you enjoyed the tutorial, be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'm going to see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. It's super insane. So yeah, guys, updated. No jailbreaking involved. So I'm going to see you guys later, and peace out.